Hi guys, today I'm here with a video from Be Beautiful, and I will be talking about all the products that works wonder to your skin from a magical basket right here. So, a lot of people ask me how to get rid of pimples and acne scars. So today, I will be showing you a product from a magical basket that I use to get rid of acne scars and pimples. So, what I use for that is tea tree oil. This is 100% tea tree oil from Australia. You guys can find this anywhere from Walmart, Walgreens, or easily found online too. This is really harsh to your skin, whether you have sensitive skin or not. This is really harsh, so you guys make sure you guys mix this with any other oil like tea tree oil or almond oil, whatever you have. Just mix it with some other oil and then put it on your skin, and that still will be a little bit harsh. But if it irritates your skin, please don't use it. And if you guys want more videos, DM me on Instagram, follow my YouTube, and I'll make another video on your topic. Thank you.